So I love food that can be eaten with like a chopstick. So random. And I recently discovered some Korean marts and Korean food stores nearby in Noida. I thought why not put it in the vlog. So let's go. Let's head to the mart. So recently there's been a lot of investment by Korean electronic firms in Noida and Greater Noida. That's why a lot of maybe K-marts and Korean marts and convenience stores have started emerging over here. And it's not very common in India, so I'm really excited to try it out. And so that's where we headed. One of the stores is called Sila Mart, and the other is K Friends store, which is a convenience store and a cafe. So we're gonna go check it out in Greater Noida. It's about like 40 minutes from here, about 20 kilometers, 15 or 20 kilometers. So it's pretty far to where we're going, but it's going to be exciting. And apparently a lot of Korean people have started coming and living in Noida and Greater Noida because Oppo, Vivo and Formi, which are like basically electronic companies from China and Korea, have started investing. And recently they invested like over 1,000 crores in some land in Noida. Greater Noida. Are you excited, Richard?
I am fucking freaking excited. I am excited. I'm so excited. I almost brought my chopstick with me. Almost, I did not bring.
So we've reached the Sila Mart now. Hope that we are allowed to vlog inside because I hope they're camera friendly people. So just as we'd imagined the story of every Indian store ever, they did not let us vlog inside for some reasons that they could not even tell us why we couldn't vlog inside. Like we just wanted to take some videos, and it would have been good because we wanted to just show around the Korean culture and what sort of food is in the mart, but they did not allow us, and we got into a little heated argument, but we still got a lot of stuff from there nonetheless. Bag of stuff with us. And so there's another Korean place nearby which is also called K Friends Convenience Mart and Cafe. So we're hoping that we'll go there. And yeah, so it's not a very great start. So we finally reached the next place. It's called K Friends Convenience Cafe, and let's see if we'll be allowed to vlog in there.
इतने नूडल्स है कि आपने लाइफ में कभी इतने नूडल्स देखे होंगे. कितने नूडल्स देखे आपने लाइफ? चेक नूडल्स चेक नूडल्स चेक नूडल्स चेक नूडल्स चेक नूडल्स चेक.
Okay, so I'm back home now and I'm very excited to dig into all of the Korean food that we got. For that, I have a very special guest who's also going to be joining me in tasting the food.
So let's begin. किससे चालू करें फिर?
I am very excited to try this shrimp chip. यहाँ पे by the way, अगर if there's any vegetarian out there जो Korean food try करना चाहते हैं, तो I would say that the options for them are very limited because almost everything has the red non-veg sign on it and smells very fishy. Yeah, it has that. The packet has that strong fish fragrance that we actually get in Indian fish markets. It's interesting. So let's have our first bite. Choose. The flavor is very underwhelming. I expected there to be more saltiness and taste to it. It's very bland for my liking.
मतलब
underwhelming.
अगर कोई किसी को बोले कि मैं किसी को स्नैक्स खिला रहा हूँ तो this actually does not qualify to be a snack in India.
So Japanese ramen is the original ramen that we see in a bowl, and then Koreans have this ramyun introduced in 1963 by the Samyang company, which is also the company that has the fiery, spiciest noodles.
And Samyang also make lenses. It's the same.
Oh, it possibly is the same company. So they are the ones who introduced ramen to Korea after the Korean War, and they wanted to, provide some affordable food. They transported the technology from Japan to Korea, and that's how they made food accessible and affordable for people in Korea. So it's supposed to be cheap. How much did we get this for?
This is for 100 rupees. This is for like 150 rupees.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
a snack. This is for like 100 rupees. It's a noodle. Like
Yeah.
it can be used like a meal. Oh, so they have this sachet inside it. I guess it's seasoning है.
Oh wow, this looks interesting.
Other दूसरा वाला noodles. Jessica, do the honor.
This is the udon noodles. Noodle base is the only thing that is different. So you also have to find here. इसके अंदर भी seasoning है. Japanese, Korean things inside it. Like I have seen this a lot.
What is this? This has to be eaten.
Yeah, this has to be eaten. I've seen this very commonly in. Okay, so I think let's go to the udon noodles first.
Okay.
Oh wow, look.
So these are like, I don't know if you can see. They can see.
Yeah, now we can see.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's like आटे को किसी ने cook नहीं किया.
This sort of like mushroomy fish. So it's night time right now and it's almost time for dinner. So I thought that I will have the Korean gochujang rice along with some fish. So I've made some fish over here and I'm gonna taste it and see how it is. And there's not really much instructions on top of it. Yeah, so it has to, I have to add boiling water to the cup and leave it on. Do I have to boil it inside and then put it in the cup? Oh my god, the instructions are so confusing because oh wow. So basically this cup like separates like this, and then there's this which is I think the rice, and there's the seasoning inside, some sesame oil, gochujang paste. Now I think I can understand the instructions better. That's the way it's supposed to be. And just as an addition, I am going to add my fish to it that I previously cooked. And so yeah, let's get into it. Oh wow, so here's all the... I'll just put on a timer for about 10 minutes. Hope that it all turns right because I sort of messed it up in the beginning. So meanwhile the rice is being cooked, I'm just gonna go and have a sip of this orange and coconut drink. But it's really pleasant, it's so good. It's orange, it's basically orange real fruit. And it is all moist. It is, oh wow, it smells like sushi in here. Some looks. So I'm gonna go in and take my first bite. I'm gonna take a bite with the mushroom, some rice, and there's some veggies. I don't know why am I not finding it spicy. It's really good, by the way, but I would say the quantity for like 350 rupees is pretty less. Now I want to try it with the fish that I made. My bite with fish, mushroom, rice. So good. It was just pure ecstasy for me because I got to try out all nice food and I got to make it a challenge and also learn more about the cuisine and culture. Do let me know in the comments if there's anything more that I should try which is specifically Korean, or anything which I did wrong, because I'm pretty sure I made a lot of blunders over here. See you in the next cuisine. Till then, bye bye, good night, and hope you all have a great day ahead or a great night since it's already night time over here.